Okay, the same here. I put the minutes by myself. I start with the short arm, which takes the hours, and then long arm, which takes the minutes. Okay, the short arm takes the near numbers, which is near 12 or 0, it's 12. And then the long arm takes the far numbers, which is 25. So it's 12, 25. Over there. In the first example, the long arm was on the first half of the clock, so there is no problem when I am getting the hours. The short arm is pointing to 12. Here the long arm is on the second half of the clock. I first put the minutes by myself. "45, 50, and then 55. Okay, I start with the short arm and the long arm. Okay, the long arm minutes, which takes the four numbers, which is 55. And we said before, if the long arm is on the second half of the clock, I move 1 hour back. So the short arm refers or points to 11. I move 1 hour back, so it's gonna be 10 because it's not 11. There is 5 minutes before it becomes 11. Okay, and the third example here, short arm to long arm, hours, minutes. Put the minutes on the clock. The long arm takes the four numbers, which is 4 here, 8 or 40, it's 40. And because the long arm is on the second half of the clock, that means the hour here or the short arm is going to move one hour back. So it's between 4 and 5, it's gonna be 4. So I say 4:40. Okay, the same here, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Short arm, hours, long arm, minutes. The long arm takes the four numbers, which is 55, and the long arm is on the second half of the clock. So there is an issue here. So the short arm will move 1 hour back. The short arm points to 12. So I'll get back 1 hour. So it's gonna be 11, not 12. So if the long arm is on the second half, not the first half of the clock, it's on the second half, I move 1 hour back. So the short arm refers to 12. It's gonna be 11 because it's not just the time. Okay, it's not 12, it didn't reach to 12 yet. Okay, over there, short arm, long arm, short arm, hours, long arm, minutes. Put the minutes on the clock. "40, 45, keep counting by 5, 50, 55. The long arm takes the four numbers. The four number is 1 or 5, it's 5. And the short arm points to 12. The short arm takes the near number, which is 12. Okay, okay. So the last example here. And the long arm is on the first half of the clock, so there is no problem about the short arm. short arm, long arm, hours, minutes, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, the short arm refers to 3, which takes the near numbers. 3 or 15 is near, it's 3. And the long arm refers to 4 numbers, which is 0. So it's 3. It's 3, it's 12:15, it's 11:55, it's 12:25, it's 10:55, and 4:40. Thank you, grade 3. See you next time.